Okay, so I think we have to make a bidirectional weighted graph, and then from there navigate it via DFS for every AB in the query. In queries. Okay, let's get some music on. Let's make our graph. Whoops, too many P's. Okay, so we gotta add our value and the weight. Sorry, like the destination node and the value associated with that. So it's gonna be the denominator and then what the value is. And then we do the inverse. The reciprocal, and we're safe to do that since these values are greater than 0, so we're okay. I think that's our graph. Now I have to do DFS. Do our current node, our target, the value that we're going to accumulate as we go, and then a visited hash set. Okay. If node is equal to target, we return the value we're at so far. And we add it to the scene otherwise. And then we just do DFS. I think that should work. Probably missed something. We'll see. No, we're good. Let's try another test case. is what we're doing. A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D. Okay, yeah. Alright, I think we're good. Let's try to. Hey yo, there we go. Love to see it. Alright, see you guys.